Welcome back in the kitchen one more time with Chef Ricardo cooking program. Today we want to show you how you can make yourself a nice lovely Jamaican natural carrot juice using just lime and ginger and carrot, those and water. Guys, it's beautiful. I get the request for it and I definitely make it. Guys, it's just wonderful and nice. Hopefully you will like the recipe and subscribe to the channel. Leave your comments. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking program. Get a copy of my cooking book on Amazon. Price won't change, it's your price. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Welcome back to the kitchen one more time with Chef Ricardo cooking program. I want to say I get a request for a nice lovely Jamaican natural carrot juice, which I want to make the carrot juice, guys. As you guys can see, you can make this one. This one is going to be with lime and ginger. You can use lemon if you got lemon, or you can use some lemon juice, whatever you like. You can put honey inside of it. But mine, I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna make mine carrot, natural Jamaican carrot juice. Basically, this is a medium-sized carrot. This one right here is a medium-sized carrot. And basically what I'm gonna do is simple. Just cut it up into some very small pieces and put straight inside of my juice blender right here. That's my juice bottle. If you got a smoothie at your home, you can use the same thing, which I'm gonna do right here. But I'm just gonna probably make this full of natural carrot juice, guys. I'm not gonna make a whole heap of juice. I'm just gonna simply make a little bit of the natural Jamaican carrot juice. Basically, I have another recipe which I'm gonna do. That one gonna be sweetened with condensed milk, and I'm gonna come up with that one very early. But I get the request for this one, and I definitely want to do it because it's a last couple of weeks the person requested this one from me. So this is the natural Jamaican carrot juice, guys. I put 2 medium-sized carrot inside of it. Remove the skin and I put it inside of it. I got a piece of chunk of a ginger right here. I'm just gonna simply cut it off, and I'm gonna simply use a piece of ginger inside of it, just like this. The next thing, I got some water, which I'm gonna pour it straight inside of it like this. Lovely and nice. Just to free blender and blend it. I'm gonna blend this around for probably about 5 to 6 minutes until it come out really smooth. So as you can see, that's what I'm gonna do now. I'm just gonna simply blend it. Nice one. So I finished blending it. As you can see how smooth it is inside of the blender right here. If I remove my blender and put it on the side, just like this, I'm gonna get my big container with a strainer right on top of it, guys. I want you guys to see exactly what I'm doing right here. So we are making some Jamaican natural carrot juice. Remove the top, and then I'm gonna pour it straight inside of it like this. So as I said before, I'm not making too much. I'm just gonna make roughly a glass of Jamaican natural carrot juice. If you wanna make a big potion, guys, basically add more carrot and add more stuff to it. You can make yourself a nice, lovely big potion of Jamaican natural carrot juice. So right here, as you can see, I'm just getting all of the liquid out of the carrot. As you can see how fine the carrot is, looking lovely and nice. As you can see what I'm doing right here, I'm simply using the back of my spoon and squeeze it out just to get the juice out of it. So this is the Jamaican natural carrot juice. Basically, some people, when they're making their carrot juice, they cook the carrot first with the ginger and everything, and then they blend it. But just to make life a little bit more easy, this is what I'm doing. Nice one. So that's right here, that is finished. Basically what we're gonna do now, you can see I put the ginger inside of it already, and I'm gonna simply scrape out. So right here, as you can see, I just washed up my strainer, and what we're basically gonna do now is to get the lime squeeze inside of it. I'm just gonna use one lime. It's just gonna get the juice. Wow, this smells so nice. That's the beauty with the lime. It smells so good. So squeeze out all of the juice out of that one. And this one also get the juice out of it. That's beautiful. Lovely. Yes. Nice one. So as I said before, guys, if you want to add more stuff to it, you're free to add more. If you want to make a big potion, that's all you need to do is to add more stuff to it. So as you can see, now I'm just gonna simply add some sugar to it. I'm using some brown sugar, because brown sugar is healthy. Brown sugar is more stronger and better for you. A lot of people like using white sugar, but I don't like to use this one. You can use honey to sweeten it. So I'm gonna add some sugar. And all you need to do is just sweeten and taste as it goes along. Next time what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make the one with the sweet condensed milk. Some cinnamon and nutmeg and spices inside of it. That one it goes really well. Nice one. So if I give it a taste, just to see what's going on. Well, that's guys, that is beautiful. Really, really, really nice. To be honest, not because it's me making it, but I'm gonna tell you something. It's to taste the ginger and the lime inside of it, make it just beautiful, really nice, tasty, and the flavor and the texture. You will love this one. So anyway, what we're gonna do now, we're gonna simply share it out because we're not gonna keep it too long. We're just gonna simply do a little thing like this. As you can see, I got my stuff I'm simply. That's fine. Nice, lovely chunk of piece of ice inside of it, just like this. Then pour it in just like this. That's exactly what I'm talking about right here, guys. As you can see, beautiful, really nice. The taste and everything is just perfect. Then cut a piece of a lemon, a lime, and simply put it on top of it just like this, because it goes really well inside of it. As you can see, beautiful, really nice. With the ginger and everything, that is excellent. Really, really, really good. So, guys, hopefully you like the recipe. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching the cooking program. We have a lot more recipe like this coming up for you. And see you next time from Chef Economy. Bye bye.